Hi, I'm Spencer Miller Fellows, Director of Enablement at Revenue.io. Today, I'm going to show you how our AEs use Conversation AI to get prepared for their demo calls. One of the things I love most about Conversation AI is that it really acts as the full library of your entire customer history. It's really powerful to allow reps to share and collaborate across the customer interaction by allowing them to have every interaction and customer conversation recorded within the platform and made available to be used as quickly and efficiently as possible. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to go find the call that prompted an upcoming demo. Here on the call, we can see Derek, one of our SDRs, was able to book an initial meeting with Joe. While Derek's notes included really helpful information, let's see how we can quickly hear the customer's problems in their own words so we can go into that initial call very effectively. All right, so immediately I see that the call is quite long. It's over 12 minutes. So the easiest thing to do is speed up the call and reduce the amount of time spent on irrelevant parts of the conversation. From there, you can also leverage the keywords functionality to pinpoint the most important moments to listen to in the call, such as the features to leverage in the call like the dialer. Additionally, you can jump to the real thing that I think our reps love to go in prepared with, which is the pain points that were brought up during that initial prospecting. So we'll jump over to pain points and then we'll navigate to problems. And we'll see every time problem was highlighted within the call and anything that tagged that keyword group. Now we can just go ahead and play those key moments and get prepared to go into our demo knowing exactly what their problem is and how we can best solve for it. For further information on this and other features of the Revenue.io platform, visit us at Revenue.io and check our support center at support.revenue.io.